Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to set up AT&T fiber internet. Start by finding the AT&T fiber jack in your home. It is a wall plate with a small data port. If you do not have a fiber jack yet, you will need to wait for an AT&T technician to install one before you can complete the setup. Next, unbox your AT&T Wi-Fi gateway. Take the fiber optic cable and connect one end to the fiber jack. Then connect the other end to the green or red port on the back of the gateway. This port is usually labeled fiber or ONT. Handle the fiber cable carefully and avoid bending it too much. Now plug the power cord into the back of the gateway and connect it to an electrical outlet. Wait a few minutes while the gateway starts up. Watch the indicator lights on the front of the device. When the power and broadband lights turn solid green or white, your gateway is ready. The next step is to activate your service. Download the free AT&T Smart Home Manager app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app and sign in with your AT&T account details. Follow the instructions in the app. It will automatically detect your gateway, activate your service, test your connection, and help you create a custom Wi-Fi network name and password. Choose a strong password to keep your network secure. Once the setup is complete, connect your devices to your new Wi-Fi network and open a website to make sure your internet connection is working properly. Thanks for watching.